Welcome to my channel, Vina Al Safar. That's me. Today we're going to hike Korek Mountain behind me, and the elevation of this mountain is about 2,100 something. Rashad here says that the hike is only 9 kilometers. So we will walk you through this. We'll walk you through the whole trip, the preparation, the hiking, when we arrive, and then we will come back by the cable cars, the telefric, which is also here. If you're coming and you don't want to hike, the line is pretty huge for the telefric, so you might want to come either when it's not tourist attraction days, like in the middle of the week or during working days. لا يصدمي صدام نية زارو نهصدو حفتاو سيبو او ناوتشي حسن نظام تشي
على حسب
بك
بس شي استنوي وصدام حسين لسه حكم بو
شستنو يتشي حفتاو نوبو او حفتاو سي دستي عن تاكد Hiking for 8 kilometers now, and we have 1 more kilometers to go. The road becomes snowy like this halfway, but the view from here is really something. This there is Soran, if you can see from the recording, and that mountain, the high one, is called Ali Bek, I believe. And this one is called Zuzuk. Hello, it's been, look at my lips. It's been about 4 hours since we started hiking, and we're still not there. It's almost sunset. We should be there in another 10 to 15 minutes, but this is a really difficult hike. Like, This is the depth. I can't see my feet. The snow is very deep. It's kind of difficult, but kind of easy. I don't know how to describe it. Anyways, bye. Hello again. We finally arrived at our destination. I am dying. I don't know what time is it. It's like, I will put the time somewhere here.
5:30.
Yeah, probably 5:30 or 6. We left at like 12:30 and it's like almost 5:36. So that's a lot of hours to hike. It's night. See? Oops, my gloves are in the way. It's nighttime. And we're hoping to have some soup in this restaurant. I don't know what do they have, but this guy is dying. Look at him, he looks like a zombie.
I am a zombie now.
We are hungry.
Yeah, see you guys later.
And this is the resort. This is the restaurant. They have some games. I'm sure they're off now because it's night, but there are like some games. We just came out of the restaurant. We ate. He's freezing. And we are going to the cable cars to finally go to our car and go back home. It will take us probably like 2 hours to get back to Erbil. And I don't know how long is the line for the telefric.